Cannabis has carried a heavy reputation for almost a century. It was painted as a corrupting force, criminalized at scale, and treated more like a threat than a plant. In the eyes of the law, it sat beside heroin and crack cocaine. In the eyes of the public, it became taboo. But today, things are changing rapidly. More and more countries are legalizing or decriminalizing marijuana. Germany, for instance, recently passed legislation to allow recreational cannabis use. Public attitudes have shifted, and science is finally catching up. Part of this shift comes from a realization: compared to alcohol, a legal substance that contributes to over 3 million deaths every year, cannabis seems far less harmful. It doesn't cause liver failure, fatal overdoses, or aggressive behavior. So, naturally, people began asking, why was weed ever illegal in the first place? However, in correcting one injustice, we've begun leaning too far in the other direction. Cannabis went from being viewed as a menace to being treated like a miracle. For a while, it felt like all we heard were the upsides: pain relief, stress reduction, enhanced creativity, deeper sleep. But the truth, as always, lives somewhere in between. Now that cannabis is being accepted into society and policy, we owe it to ourselves to look at it clearly. Not with fear, not with hype, but with honesty. Because weed is a drug, a powerful one that affects the mind and body in complex ways.